Alrighty, when I look at a molecule to decide if it is polar or nonpolar, there are two things I'm looking for. Either one of them being true would make it polar. If there were lone pairs on the central atom, any, one lone pair, two lone pairs, three lone pairs, any number of lone pairs on the central atom, sorry, that got messy, yes, it would be polar. This particular case doesn't have any lone pairs, so that doesn't help me for this particular problem. But the other reason it could be polar is if the atoms attached to the central atom are not all the same element. So in this case, these are all made up elements, but since I have one that's X and one that's B, those are different elements. That means we've satisfied this condition, and yes, it would be polar. So it would be polar because the atoms attached aren't the same element.